everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial, or maybe more like a transforming into a Gyaru. So today I'm going to be transforming into a Gyaru. I have always loved Japan and their culture. I do not agree with some things on their culture, but I love most of the things that they have, like anime and manga, and I also love the J-pop songs and also the food and stuff. So yeah, this is one of the videos that I wanted to make for a long time. Big respect to all the Gyarus out there. I know a few Gyarus in the internet, and I'm going to be showing them through the process, like in the screen. I hope you like the video, and please keep on watching to see how do I look as a Gyaru. And yeah, let's go with the video. So for those who don't know, Gyaru is a Japanese fashion subculture. The term Gyaru is a Japanese transliteration of English slang word gal, like girl. The initial meaning as a Japanese slang word during the Showa era was similar to the English meaning and referred to a young woman in their late teens to 20s. The subculture was considered to be non-conformist and rebelling against Japanese social aesthetic standards during a time when women were expected to be housewives and fit Asian beauty standards, with pale skin and dark hair. Their popularity peaked in 1990s and the early 2000s. They are also known for partying and clubbing, being rather provocative and flirtatious, and having fun. So that's literally from Wikipedia. And the makeup typically consists of black eyeliner, fake eyelashes, and secret lenses, and high contour. So they are used to wearing dyed hair and long nails, so I just tried to recreate that look looking at some Gyarus out there. So if I'm wrong in something, please just tell me, so we can all learn more about this Gyaru culture in the comments down below. But yeah, I will insert some of the Gyarus that I know in the screen. So for the makeup, as you can see, I'm trying to contour with a darker shade of foundation. I just put a little bit of my tone foundation on my face. I'm using just samples I received on Sephora, or I don't know where, but I am using that to create a base, because as you might know, I don't usually use base, but like with this makeup you have to try and wear a base because you have the heavy contour or bronzer. So I'm trying my best. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying to make this white base on my eyes, and the same white base on my eyes is on the highlighter parts on my face, especially the nose. I emphasized more on the nose because, well, you can see they have a pretty highlighted nose. I am shading a little bit my eyes with a soft brown and a pink eyeshadow to give a little bit more dimension to my eyes. I also think that I overdid on my eyeliner, but I tried, okay? I don't really know. I didn't have anything else or a softer liner to do the liner, but as you can see, I lined the higher part and the lower part of my eyes, and I overdid on the lower part, and I also draw in some lashes because I didn't have bottom fake eyelashes. I also added fake eyelashes on the top, and yeah, that's about it.